What up, guys? What up, guys? It's your boy King Joffy Joe 413 back with another one.
I see you haters
What's going on, guys? How you guys doing? Chilling? You already know me, chilling like always. As you can see, you got my boy A, Cold Wisdom 88 here. You know what I'm saying? Yo, so y'all seen we had Cameron in the video taking it off. We're gonna have Michael back in the video helping us put it back on. All right. Yo, first off, I want to shout out my man DJ Geary. He sent me over a little something for my bike. You know what I'm saying? Soon we're gonna be putting his bike on here. He got the Spider. He got a brand new Spider. He got, well, it's 2021, but it's brand new. You know what I'm saying? Yo, he's putting a lot of money into that. We're gonna show you. It's gonna be the fucking hottest Spider in the country. Watch. But so I know y'all see the shirt on. King Joffy Joe 413. Get you some merch. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you get some merch. KingJoffyJoe413.com. Hit it up, yo. Check out. You got different stuff on it. You might see something on it you like. We're gonna, in this video, what we doing is giving you what you asked for. You asked for a video putting the Knuckle back in. We're gonna put the Knuckle back in. You know what I'm saying? My man A, he need to get his bike right. We about to do that ride out back to out to New York next weekend. See what I got right here? Torque specs. Torque specs. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna be torquing them down, giving you the information that y'all need, that you're gonna be asking me in the comments. So save those for yourself, because we're gonna give you all the information right now in the video. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna try to start eliminating all the questions and just give you all the info. I like questions sometimes, but I'm saying it's like just give you all the info. All right, let's get to it. We got our tools over here already. You know what I'm saying? Yo, show them the new equipment that we just got. We got pressed in. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna got the new axle in there, new bearings. Leave those, Michael. We don't need those yet. Yeah, show them the other side. Show them both sides. Looking good, looking good. Yo, shout out to Flamingos. You know what I'm saying? They hooked my boy up. They pressed that in for him. Probably like overnight. You know what I'm saying? It was like the next day they called you for your shit, right?
Yeah, they called me the next day.
Next day. So you know what I'm saying? He dropped it off the next day. You know what I'm saying? It's a little easier. Like everybody dropped their Ryker off and they be there for weeks. You know what I'm saying? If you just bring the part that need to be fixed there, it's a lot quicker for them just to take it. You know what I'm saying? To do that. But all right. So got our tools here. So we got all the nuts removed. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna sit this on top of the bottom axle, lift this up, and put it over the bottom ball joint, and then lift this up and put it over the top ball joint. Might be a little snug. Get on. Yep, nice on there. Lift it up. We'll grab our 19 mil. Oh, is this a nut on top right here? You got on top of it like that?
Yep, the washer. Yep.
That doesn't go like that. That just goes on the bottom, I think.
Think so?
Nah.
It goes on the top.
That definitely does go on the top.
It goes on top. Yeah.
Hey, I couldn't. Well, it wouldn't go on the bottom. It makes no sense.
Yeah. Needs to be able to move around.
All right, 19 millimeter. Yep, I got you.
Oh, on my toe.
Oh, you ain't got no steel toes on?
Why do I need steel toes right
Those
now?
are not OSHA regulated mechanic shoes.
No, they not. Not in my foot. Yeah, not even on top of my foot.
So, what we're gonna be doing, guys, so, as you can see, my man A was trying to turn this. The whole ball joint was turning. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a jack at the bottom of it. The reason we're gonna be doing that is because if I push down on this, the whole thing's gonna go down. Or maybe it won't. Yeah, well, it might not. Usually on cars, if you push down on the A-frame, it goes down, so you put a jack under it to get stabilize it. You can take off the extension though.
Don't need the extension?
Yeah. And we're gonna use the drill and just zap her down real quick.
Okay.
No, it ain't stripping.
What's that in there?
That's just plastic. It's a lock washer.
Keep going?
Yeah, you gotta.
Keep going?
Yeah. That's good. All right, so we got her all the way down now. So we're just got it pretty tight. We're not gonna have it snug down because we're gonna have to torque this down to the right spec. Actually, we're gonna do that right now. So let me just. All right, yeah, it's not too tight. So torque down spec for this top ball joint. All right, upper ball joint, got it right here. Top upper ball joint, that's 85 pounds. So we got our torque wrench there. We're gonna set her to 85. All right, so we got our torque wrench set to 85. We're gonna throw the sock on there. We're gonna use torque wrench right there. That's it. 85 right there. We got our 85. Now we're gonna throw our little sensor in. We got our sensor here. Speed sensor. We can throw the bottom one in. Yeah, throw the bottom one. You got it in already?
No.
So this is. There you go.
Now it's sliding.
All right, so this bottom ball joint doesn't have a torque for it because it's how it is. It doesn't need to be torqued down. So we're just gonna zip this down real quick.
Which way it needs to go?
It's always in the right way.
It's going the right way?
No, it's not.
There you go.
All right, so we zip that down. Hold on, I need to tighten it a little bit more. And we're just gonna make sure she's tight. We use the drill just to get it down fast, and then we just tighten it by hand till it's tight. All right, there we go. Got that nice and tight. All right, so your bolt from the bottom ball joint, it goes in from the front to the back. Probably the reason is you don't want debris and stuff going towards the nut, so if you ever gotta take it off, it won't be all messed up. Now we're gonna slip in the speed sensor. Speed sensor's in, super easy slide in. Throw the screw in. We're using a 27T.
Thank you.
All right, remember you're tightening this down onto plastic, so you don't want to over crank her, but you want to make sure she's tight. You don't want to. All right, there she is, sitting down, not moving. You don't want that moving or nothing like that. All right, next we're going to throw on our tie rod. And you got the washer for the bottom, and we got our 15mm nut. So at the top of this ball, on the top side of this knuckle, you can use a wrench to hold the tire rod. All right, I'm using a 15mm as well on the top, 15mm wrench.
Ready?
This is how we took it off, Sal.
Ready?
Yep. Keep going. All right, there we go. All right, so the torque for the tire rod, intermediate tire rod retaining nut. That's what that's called for that piece right there. And it is 37. So as you can see, the nut right here, the picture of what we just did, that's what they call it. If you're ever looking for that nut, that's what the nut you're looking for. I got it. Hold on, let me see. Move your hand. Go. That's it.
That was it?
Yep, you heard the click, right? You can pull it again. Yep, that's it. All right, so that's the third down to 37. Next, we're gonna be adding, what's next, Angel? What's next?
Caliber?
Caliber. Oh, well, we gotta put on before we put the caliber on. The rotor.
Word.
Rotor, brand new rotor. There's a flathead screwdriver to open up the caliber just a smidget. Very easy to do. Wasn't no kind of pressure against it. You have to open it more. There we go. 15. All right, caliper screws are in there and they're secure. And now what we're gonna do next, guys, torque them down. See it right there, caliper screws right here, caliper screws, 50. We're putting those down to a 50, all right, guys? Let's adjust that to a 50.
We got this one right here, the first one. There we go. The second one over here. Where's the second one? It's in there.
Go, 50. All right, so as you guys see, stand up. As you guys can see, we just installed the knuckle. That was probably like how many? It says 20 minutes, but it was like 10. You know what I'm saying? It was like 10 because we had to find some parts and some. If we had all the tools ready, like you guys should, because you're watching the video, so you should be like, oh, I need a 15, I need a 19, and I need a 27, and a 15 millimeter wrench for the ball joint. For the tie rod, yeah, tie rod. You know what I'm saying? I got all the tools right there. Torque specs, I got the torque specs. I should be writing those down. You know what I'm saying? So if you do this, it should take you about 5 minutes. All right? So we're going to throw this wheel back on and take it for a spin and make sure everything's good. And we'll check you guys in the next one. How you feeling about this, eh?
I feel excited to try it.
We're going to show them a test run.
So yeah, test run. All right, guys?
Let's do it.
Peace.